my channel. So today, oh my god, I have found a dupe. While I was out shopping, I found a dupe for the iconic London Glow Setter Spray, and it was in Revolution, and I'm hoping that the camera picks up how beautiful that is, the swirly goodness in this bottle, because that is just so pleasing on the eye. This spray is £10. £10. I found a dupe because I stalked YouTube last night. I literally stalked YouTube last night and I couldn't find anyone doing a review on this. So this is the Glow Revolution Prime Set and Glow, and it's illuminating face and body spray. And it's heavenly and I love it, and it just gives you that perfect glow. So basically you've got to shake well before use, crisscross, and you're set to glow. Then I picked up the macaroons palette. I've been wanting to try this macaroons palette for a while, but every time I went to my local Superdrug it was sold out. So I picked it up and it looks something like that, and I'm wearing this blue called Nom Nom on my crease and on my eyes, and it looks beautiful. Also picked up their mascara and this lip product. So everything else that's on my face I already had in my collection because I'm a revaholic. So if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome to the family. Please click the red button, which is the subscribe button, and join my little family here, because I believe that we are the most happiest family on the internet, if that is just a claim that I'm making myself. Also hit the notification bell so you do get notified every single time that I upload a new video. I will be doing a series over Christmas. I want to do a Fantasyland series, so please stay tuned for that. Also, if you want to see how I created this look using all Revolution products, then please stay and watch the video, and grab a snack, grab a drink, and I will see you in the next one. Stay beautiful. To start with, I am going to use my Asda Radiance Cream, which is my moisturiser, because I didn't pick any moisturiser up from Revolution. So guys, literally I went into Superdrug over the Black Friday weekend, and have you guys actually seen this? I'm sure this is the dupe for the iconic London. Watch this. You see all that sparkly goodness in this? And this is Revolution, as you would have known by the towel, because I'm doing a full face of Revolution makeup today. Okay, let's get into this. How satisfying is that? Got the Revolution brow. All it says is Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. Get my little mirror. I like to brush my hairs up to start with. Turn it round to the actual pencil. Oh, won't come out. I don't want you coming out. Get back in your little home. And then I like to draw like a little line underneath the brow. Just quite faintly. Then I'm going back onto the spoolie and then just brushing all the hairs down from the top, so just brushing them down. And then where your natural lines are, I'm just going to faintly draw on those. Fill in the middle. And then brush through them again with a spoolie. And your brow should look something like that. Now I'm going to try and attempt to do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Now my brows are looking somewhat the same, somewhat not. I'm going to go in with a fast base concealer stick in C1 and just carve them out and make them look a little bit more presentable. I know this isn't just Revolution, this is the Our Heart Revolution, but it's all in the same family, so, and I really wanted to try this palette, and this one's the Macaroons palette from the Chocolate Bar palettes, and I really wanted to try this palette out, and I love like the blue dripping chocolate, a little bit Too Faced kinda, but I like it, I think it's pretty. And this is what the Macaroons palette looks like inside. I was drawn to this blue immediately. As soon as I saw this palette, I was like, oh my god, I want that on my face. So, we're gonna have a little play with this palette. So dipping into this colour first, which is called Almond, it's like a skin colour, and I'm just gonna put that as a crease shade or a transition shade. I'm just going to run it through my crease. This has got a really big mirror on it as well, which is really good for travelling. So the next colour I think I'm going to go into is this one called Chocolate, and I'm just going to pop that straight on top of that first colour and just build up that crease shade. And I'm using the Morphe brush, and I think this is from their Candy Apple range. It doesn't have a number or a name on the brush. I think I might go into this one, just darken it up a little bit more in the outer corner. This is called Heavenly Bite, and the names are so nice in this palette as well. They're all food related, so they're really nice. I don't know what petite is because my desserts are never petite. Taking my Zoeva smudge brush, I'm just going to take some of this concealer and I'm just going to cut out the crease. I'm going to take a flat brush and just dip into that finishing touch, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of the cut crease. And just bringing it up into the crease a little bit and then winging it out, just so that it merges with that brown. And then I think with my finger I'm going to dip into that absolutely stunning blue, which is called Nom Nom, and I'm just going to pop that on the remainder of the crease. Oh my god, that is just pigmented so much. Wow. And I'm going to take it right into the inner corner. That is just amazing. Got like blue all over my fingers. For foundation, I'm going to use the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F4. Now, let's hope and pray that I can get some of this concealer out of here. I can't believe that I've nearly run out. So this is the Fast Base Concealer in C1. Can't believe. Might just have enough, she says. I'm going to go into Pretty Heart and set under my eyes using my Real Techniques a little contour brush that I absolutely love. With my big Revolution brush, I'm just going to go into that Pretty Heart again, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face. Using my Zoeva 106 powder brush, I'm going to dip into literally for the contour, but I'm just going to use it as a bit of a bronze. And I didn't get a blush, so we're going to skip past blush today, and I'm going to use Angel Face out of the palette. Cupid's bow, chin, just all over, because that's how I like my highlight. So, going back onto the eyeballs, I'm going to go back into the macaroons palette and do the lower lash line, into chocolate. Then I'm going to go into Heavenly Bite, which is a little bit dark chocolate colour. Then I'm going to go into Finishing Touch and pop that on the outer part. And then of course I'm going to dip into Num Num and bring that in a little bit. So with my pinky, I'm just going to dip into Sugar Coated and pop that on the inner tear duct, or the inner part of my eye, and pow, pow. Then I'm just going to curl these lashes. I'm always scared of curling my lashes in case I like rip them all out. Now, I've been wanting to try this from Revolution for the longest time. I've got an itch. So I've been wanting to try this from Revolution for the longest time since I brought it out. I think it's been brought out a couple of weeks now, and it's their mascara. ASMR. Oh, satisfying. Whoa. Whoa. That is something else. Oh, I hope it's not going to make my eyelashes clumpy. It's like got fibres on it or something. I don't know. Here's like one with and one without. I think it looks quite nice, guys, to be honest. I was worried that the brush was going to make it look quite clumpy, but I mean, it's nothing, it's not wow factor, but there's a before. Well, that's one with the mascara on, one with no mascara. What do you guys think? Because I'm quite liking it, to be honest. I was a bit dubious before because I thought it was going to be quite clumpy on the eyes, but it looks quite nice to me. It's with them both on, so I'm not going to be wearing any falsies today because literally I'm going to be having a shower after this video, guys, and I'm just going to be chilling. That's the real life story. So yeah, I'm quite liking, I mean, I'm loving the eyeshadow as well. The eyeshadow is just lovely. But that mascara, yeah, it gets a literal 7 out of 10 for me. Lipstick, and I picked up one of these lipsticks. Now these lipsticks look a little bit to me like the Superstay 24-hour lipsticks, but in a miniature bottle. And this is just their Pro Supreme Gloss Lip Pigment in Poser, and I thought I'd give it a go, so here's a go. Now it does feel a little bit sticky, not gonna lie, but it's not that sticky where it sticks your lips together, if you know what I mean. So, I mean, I think if you had to drink a cup of coffee, it definitely would stick to your cup because it's lip gloss, but all in all, I think it's quite a nice little lip. These were £4 by the way guys, the mascara was £8. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this little lip gloss. I mean, it's nice, it's small, it can fit into your handbag. You know, if you're going on an night out, slip it into your little clutch bag, so it's quite nice size. Yeah, I think it's quite nice. You might need to drink your wine with a little straw or something, because I feel with this it would definitely transfer. But going back to this, which I think is like a dupe for the iconic London, I mean, you can see all the swirly goodness in there, it's just pretty. So I'm just going to spritz some of this on. I mean, it has made my face a little bit more glowy, I'm not gonna lie, but I quite like it. I don't know what that little squeak was, but I quite like it. Plus, on the good side, the mascara's stayed on. Now, normally if I put a setting spray on after I've done mascara, the mascara literally just runs down my face. But this mascara, there's nothing, it's just stayed there. This is a good mascara guys. So, itchy nose. So this is the finished look guys. If you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, you know the drill with all of that. And until next time, I love you all, stay beautiful and bye!